There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2018 Dodge Durango SRT blacktop in granite crystal metallic. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO 6-piston front brakes, black side roof rails, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 43,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SRT performance pages, heated rear seats, rear DVD entertainment center, power sunroof, power liftgate, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5522A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.